nice to see everyone with their spouses. At this is one occasion in a year. It's a long time tradition sa military service and in the police service that every year nagkakaroon ng courtesy call sa commanders. It is an opportunity to renew your commitment, our commitment to our leaders, our managers, at i-pledge natin muli na the coming years will be supported by our officers and men. I'm happy to report that last year, 2025, was a good year for Northern Mindanao. We experienced one of the lowest lows in crime incidents. Trabaho niyo yun, palakpakan natin. And it was also during 2025 that apart from Northern Mindanao, the whole of the Philippine National Police received one of the highest survey ratings in history as one of the most trusted agencies in the country. Kung minsan kakabahan tayo that maybe ibinuhos na natin ang lahat noong 2025, but I am still encouraged. I am confident that lalagpasan pa natin yung mga accomplishments natin noong 2025 and 2026 will be a good year. As I received your commitment nung umakyat kayo rito, most of you committed that you will continue working for the good of Northern Mindanao. And so I commit myself, aside from leading our police forces in our fight against crime, I commit myself to always look after the welfare of our people here in Northern Mindanao. Before I end my message, isisingit ko na yung ating toast. As we raise our glasses, let us celebrate not only the accomplishments, but also the hard-working men and women of Police Regional Office 10. May our efforts continue to make a positive impact as we strive for a year of progress, collaboration, and positive transformation. For this year, let us toast to friendship, camaraderie, peace, and goodwill to all. Cheers! Maraming salamat and Happy New Year to everyone.